Welcome back, everyone. If you're new here, welcome to the show. In today's episode, Haley and I were at Big Spring Falls, Banning State Park in Sandstone, Minnesota. It was a whole lot of fun. While we were out there, we met up with a family that had 2 young boys. It was their first time crawling, so it was even more fun seeing somebody learn the hobby for the first time. We had a Capra out there. We had a few different things. We have a little TRX-4M. Of course, we have our colorful Comanche and Haley's new Jeep Rubicon. And I can't say enough, as always. We have tire squishing, waterfalls, ice, mud, a little bit of everything. It was a good trail day, good rock crawling day. If you enjoy this kind of thing, or events, or competitions, scale trails, or anything else we might find ourselves getting into, please subscribe, as we're a small channel. We might not pop up on your feed again. I'm done wasting your time. Thank you for all that you guys do and all the support. Let's get into the show.
Holy smokes. That was insane.
Short little garage talk over Drive Your Figures on sizes, models, how to find them, where to buy them, how to make them fit, different things like that. We've gotten a lot of questions and comments over the years. I just want to share what we've learned so far. I hope it's helpful. If you're looking for anything specific or skip this, check out the timestamps below in the description.
Let's just jump straight into this. I picked up this new driver. People ask all the time where I found drivers, what we use for drivers, how they can find them, where to buy them and whatnot. And what sizes we use and different things like that. So I'm going to get into a little bit that I've learned before I bought our first drivers and what I bought now as a replacement. So this is something I refer to as a model figure. It's less of an action figure, less of a toy for kids. It says ages 14 and up, so obviously for kids still all the same, but whereas like the first ones we got are definitely just like action figures or toys. This is like ages 5 and up. And you're going to see the differences between the two, be it the scale look of it, their clothes. Obviously this is just like molded plastic, where this is actually fabric, different things like that. They usually come with little extra bits, like it comes with a beer can and whatnot. Obviously he's from Draws. This is Quint, the sailboat captain. Yeah, I don't know, we found this one at Walmart. It was about $34, $30 and some change or something like that. And then the other ones are Jurassic Park ones we found on Amazon. They were about $12. So it's all about what you get, what you pay for. And we're gonna get into sizing. Usually 5 to 6 inches is what you'll find in the action figure size. And that means you'll be able to do something like this. You can see though, like his hand doesn't match for the size of the door handle, things like that. It's close enough for when they're in the vehicle, but when you pull them out, you can see how much more the vehicles are bigger than they actually are. But the good thing about that is, like, yeah, they look a little bit too big. It's not too drastic, right? These are huge, like 44-inch tires too, so it's good to keep that in mind. But at the same time, it's obviously bigger than him. But the nice part about that is that you can keep the driver whole. You can put them in and out. A lot of things, if you want to save weight, like these things are pretty heavy, you're gonna want to hollow them out from the back side, like get like a somehow and just cut out the whole rear end of them and just make them hollow, because you really only need to see the front. That's up to you. It is nice to be able to keep them whole and leave them posable if you like to do out the cab shots and things like that. And then the exact size of this, I think it's a 6-inch if I remember right, but yep, that's what they would, it's 6.5. They probably sell it as a 6-inch figure, 6.5. So, and then yeah, that's that. This is Owen from Jurassic Park. So if you're interested in that, I found it on Amazon. It was about 12 bucks or so. So I'm sure you can find them different places. Let's pop this sucker open and see what we're working with here. Grab my little knife here. And these, like I said, these are for ages, like on these model kits, 14 and up, because the little pieces they come with. So, you know, if you're helping your kid do it, take that in mind. I'm 32, so, you know, I think I'll be all right. Oh, growing up. I swear I'm getting younger each year somehow. I've never had this stuff as a kid even. This is awesome. Wow, holy crud. Yeah, see, this is what I'm saying. You really get what you pay for. I think this is a what the M1 Grand? It's a Grand, M1 Grand. It's pretty cool. Oh, and it got this little spear air. I mean, don't say, do not demonetize me. I'm cutting that part out. Spear, got a little air spear there. Okay, so it's secured on the back. Yes. Oh, I don't want to ruin it. I missed, when I was a kid, these were just twist ties. Now everything is plastic. Even the things holding things together need plastic now. Oh, wow. Look at his height. he looks so much more the right height for the vehicle. Really makes Owen look like a child in comparison. Yeah, that's cool. The head size is a little bit more correct, and I can tell though, like, so his legs don't want to bend. This is not an action, there we go, figure in sense. I think the thing is, model figures and action figures have gotten closer together than ever before with, you know, the way things are made nowadays. So like, what's the differences really between the two, you know, that's up to you to decide. But I think the fact that you can still see, you know, you get what you pay for, I suppose. I didn't look up the weight. They're so similar. I know this guy's bigger, but he actually feels lighter. And if this thing's all plastic and really cheaply, kind of makes sense. All right, so he comes with a couple extra things as well. We got a baseball bat. I'm like, that'll be cool. Wow, look how scale that thing is. Ah, ooh, sharp. That thing looks amazing. Heck yeah. So you can't even, like, RC websites don't have this kind of stuff for sale. Wow, it looks like it even sounds like a bat. That's cool. We'll just throw that in there. Some beer cans. I figured we'll throw this crumpled up beer can. Just glue it to the dashboard, you know. That's where you, on the drinker side, not the driver side. You know, he's the captain. The captain's side don't have no, you know, but the drinker side, you know, that's what you're there for. Hold the map and drink some cold snacks. Very cool. All right. Well, I'm gonna figure out how to set these guys up. Like I was saying, a lot of times if you want them sitting straight forwards with figures, you're gonna want to cut their legs off or cut them off at the waist and just sit them at the waist, hollow out their backs. There's a lot of different things that people do. That's all up to you. Usually what I'll do is I'll just kind of sit them in sideways like that. Oh man, look at him. Still sits like I used to have my old one. That's cool. He looks good in there. Oh yeah, no regrets. That was best $30 investment in RC, other than I don't know, I haven't bought anything in like a year. I am cheap. All right, that's awesome. I hope that helps. So far.
My dad has one.
Oh, there it was. Hey, ooh.
Nice.
Oh.
Look, it can go up there.
Just enough room. You got it. Oh, one wheel. Nice. Oh, almost lost the bag in the back. Try not to squash my guy's noodle. His head was so close to the tree. Nice driving on him there. All right, I'll try to make some room for us. Haley likes to come down with a force of fury and grit. Oh, come over here. You're against the tree.
No, my brother's coming.
There you go. Oh, you're tall. Heck yeah. All right, here we go. We got a little bit more room here. We're gonna move you that way, pull forward a bit. You can make it, I think. Get a little finesse. Oh, that power. Oh, now you're in a predicament. Oh, nice save. Whoa. Watch that, okay?
Better. We'll meet you guys on the other side.
Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, we're on the other side. You guys are so waterproof. The water? Probably can actually go over ice because it's just so small. I have that same controller.
Heck yeah. Actually made it right up that.
Oh, Grant, watch out!
Oh, my face. Wow. No way does I... No way. No way. Okay. Go ahead. I'll just... Yep, go straight up that pretty much. Oh, there you go. All right, sharp left. Sharp left. You're gonna have to kind of wrap that. Watch out. You don't want to get too close behind her. She's gonna need to back up a lot. She might roll over onto you. Yeah, you gotta. There's some room here. Your rear tire. You gotta get up on that and around that first tree there.
She's gonna make it.
You gotta get farther down there. You're not gonna be able to go just up it. You're around the tree now, so don't worry. Yep. And then give her some beans to your left. Beans. Oh! Oh!
My turn.
All in the trees. Holy smokes!
My turn.
That was super cool. That thing would have been wrecked. You would have no windows left.
No windows left.
Whoa. Watch the reverses. You gotta be really careful in reversing these. They like to shoot backwards. Oh. I don't want to get hit with a 20-pound truck. Oh, whoa. Okay, yeah. Point your wheels that way. You're going good. You got to get her on that first nub. So here, let me show you something. Try to go up this a bit and then turn. Look at that. Yeah, now work your way down. There you go. Yep. Now go for it. There it is. Very good. Yep, this way. Yeah. Nice. There you go. my goodness.
That was so smooth.
Oh, holy smokes. And keep it hung to the right. Yep. You're gonna use that sidewall. Don't too much, Beans. No. Oh no. You had it too. You had everything right. Don't worry so much. Oh, loosening that sand
I'm
up
gonna
a
get my
bit.
soap back on the ground.
Just keep it going. Okay. Just keep the crawl going. Point to your right. Nope. Go up around this, and then. Yep, that's good. Not that too far around. Just get your tire around that, and then dip into your.
My God.
Yep. Now hang it to the right.
Warning, no back.
Give us some beans. Yep. Just keep in it. Nope. It's got to keep that momentum more than anything. Good. Oh, you almost had it. Yep. You're right. You're right. Oh, come on there. Your tire's so. Oh no. Holy smokes. You just can't do it. Why? Come on, little truck. Oh, you got that. Give it everything. No, don't hold it down now, but
Okay.
like at the start. Like get your back in on it. Yeah, you've dug that hole so deep now.
The hole has been dug.
There it is. Woo! Oh, I know, right?
I'm just having a Bronco.
Oh, hang on, bud. Nice.
Ooh.
You're gonna have to come around that a little bit. Yeah. There it is. Oh.
I can't go on too much stuff, but you guys can.
Well, I don't know. You made it up that pretty good. Help me out since you're already up there. Jeez.
I'll push you, I guess, a little.
Oh my goodness. Bro. That little thing is amazing. Go, little man. Yes. Yes. Oh no. Holy smokes. Look at it.
Oh shit. I'm gonna help.
Coming
Man,
out.
to the rescue!
Hers might flip backwards though. She's pretty heavy.
Oh.
I mean, mine's heavy, but it's heavy down low. Hers is heavy and it's a lot of it's up top. That spare wheel on the back doesn't help. Careful, yeah. I don't want her to crush you. Careful. Oh, there she goes though. She did take off. You can make it from there, babe. You got it. Can you make it?
You got a little farther than me.
What?
Is you angry?
This is on video now. Susan! This is pull back to your tunnel. Can't even.
You're not gonna win me.
Go ahead, nice and slow. There you got her. Something you can do wrong really here. I'll come down behind you. Nice.
This thing rips. I'm jumping down here. that Steve could get the cover.
Alright.
Here, you can go first. You can go first.
We're waiting on her.
That
Gotta
thing
go
is
a little wide here.
squatting right now.
Wide?
That thing is squatting.
Yeah.
That thing
the
is
other way.
squatting right
Turn,
now.
turn, downhill, downhill, downhill.
That thing is squatting right now, man.
Yeah.
Try
Try it again.
Maybe mine could go.
Whoa, and your door came open. Nice. Way to go. Down. Oh my goodness.